I am not a financial advisor. These videos are all meant for educational purposes only. All Complete Trader Academy videos are my personal opinion and perspective. Trading carries a high level of risk, and all results are your own responsibility. Please always demo first. Hey everybody, welcome back to Complete Trader Academy's daily review. Today is June 7, Wednesday, 2023. So this candle here, we dipped down a little bit. That was a buy in, I believe, at 4 a.m. And then came up, took out that previous day high, and we're sitting now here. So, going to be very interesting because, and that's why I was mentioning yesterday, we could still retrace up into here if we sell off, and if not, even come into here. So it all depends how this works out. But I'm hoping for lower prices generally. So let's go into a 4-hour real quick. You'll see here that we took out that liquidity there, and then we had an imbalance right here on the 4-hour. We came up into it, sealed it off, took a sell at the last end of the day for it. Just a shot doesn't mean I'm married to it. Doesn't mean even if it takes me, I don't care. Only because this would be a good probability of a lower high from here. This would be a good probability of a lower high to make a new lower low into here, possibly. So this is what that idea is, right? And then we're taking the buys today to get into this. Now let's go into a 1 hour, and let's see what we got here. All right. As you see here, 4 in the morning, price comes down. I'm not awake though. Taps into this block. Makes a lower high right here. Nice buy. Obviously I wasn't involved. And then the rest was pretty shaky today, but kept making higher lows. See that? So that was the intentions for the buy. Still took sells though, for retraces. Really nice. Panned out pretty nice today. Let's go into a smaller time frame. Before I do, this is the 1 hour. So it's possible we get into this wick. I don't know. We'll see. But we are underneath this top of this closed candle, so we'll see. But let's go into a 15-minute, and you can see here clear that pretty much the bodies here of the candles are respecting, right? And showing good support. And then again, higher lows. Forget everything in between. I only look at external ranges of price action. And yeah, let's go into, well, this is how we caught the day. Starting here, we bought. You'll see it in a lower time frame. We bought, said to the group that if we were going to buy, we're going to look for a retrace down and then take out a 15-minute low. Got right there. And here there's I believe an imbalance as well. So let's see. Let's go into a 5 real quick, and you'll see here there was the dip right there at the 9:30. Took this buy right here. Got underneath this 15-minute low. We have an imbalance here, and we never break this block right here. See that? So nice call. And then I'm gonna just go down to a 1 minute. Now I did use the 10-second for this a lot, for actually all these trades, but that's why I do advise to pay the extra $30 or whatever it is a month and get the 10-second chart. So you'll see here nicely, again, 10-second, you can see this, but price breaks down, breaks up, retraces back, a little under 50% of that wick. 10-second, you can see it very more clear. Got a block, shoots up right to the imbalance. Boom, beautiful. I mean, look at that. Completely out. Reverse the sell. Happened quick. Knew the sell would come at least into a deeper zone here, and look where it came. It came right into that wick right there. I hate when they do that. And now at this point, I didn't catch the buy here, because I was content. I wanted them to just show me more just in case this broke lower. So price started going up. Boom, we took out liquidity again. So right here, this is another sell for me. I'm going to take this sell here down and get some of this liquidity. Ended up taking out this one. Left this one intact right here and completely close out of the trade. And then I'm done for the day. I don't like trading too much. If in a preference, I would rather not trade after 11:30. You know why? When I caught almost 300 points right here, beautiful day. But you had these bouncing around. Sure enough, it was coming up. So I didn't catch any of this. I like to participate in the last part of the day, which is between 2 and 4, if I do. So I would prefer not to do anything after 11:30, to be honest, because the rest is just kind of difficult. But at the end of the day, I did catch this. Still in this trade right now. And we had a shift of structure right here. So what I'm hoping is that if this bearish idea works out, is that we come and take out this. Oh, look at all this liquidity. I mean, this is massive. Look at all this. It's a massive amount. So if I went to I guess a 1 hour to show you. But my intention is, again, if this is a lower high idea, then I want to come and break down technically all these lows and at the least this low right here, but we'll see, and then get into this imbalance. And I only took this trade at the end for like a higher probability or higher time frame idea, you know, and I'm scalping in here, intraday swinging I like to call it, but here this would be more of a position spot. So I mean, I'm not saying that we open and it takes it out. It's already in break even, so I really don't care. So, but you got to be able to take these shots and these ideas and manage your risk, right? So, all right. So other than that, what was I gonna say? You got my top side objectives, if there is one, which would be the high that we're at today, and here for higher time frame, and then down here, you know where we have the imbalance right here, and we have these lows. So this is where we are now. So all right, hope this helps. You guys take care. Until tomorrow, God bless.